Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everybody had a good weekend. YouTube, if I could get a sound check, please. Make sure you guys can hear me well over the music. That would be great this Monday morning. Please hit the like as you come in, guys. Please, please, please. Let's check. Nothing in the way of news today, so we're good there. Quick reminder, guys, as it says on the screen and in the chat, on Monday, March 4th, that it will be the new start time for my live stream. So being that, you know, we're only going to be trading indices now, that's going to be the new start time because the market open is at 9:30. So 9 a.m. is when we know we start getting action, you know, with indices. So that's why we're going to be starting at that time. Because, you know, sometimes moves are happening at like 12 every day, around 11, 12, and it's just way too long for me to be, you know, in front of the charts all that time. 7 to like 10, 11, 12, that is crazy. So I don't want to be doing that anymore. So new changes to come, and we'll also be trading futures also on Trade-of-8. So looking forward to that. Pretty soon, guys. Gold right here. This is why I opened with gold. This is the last week. This is the last week that I will be analyzing gold. After that, chopped. Gold is gone, and we will only be trading YM, oil, and US30. I'm really excited about the trading oil transition. It's been just awesome with me. Awesome for me. I mean, I've traded it a couple times now, been back testing it for a few weeks, and I really like it. So that's where we're going to be going. That's probably US30 and oil will be my main pairs, both. I'll be trading both. Both. Who's your broker? Please read the description box, please. A lot of questions are answered if you just look at the description box. Yeah, so that's that. My apologies for the private stream emails. I got behind on that, so those will be going out. All of them will be completed today. So if you got accepted, you'll get an email. If not, you won't. And if you think you should have gotten accepted or something happened, just DM me or email me, and we'll discuss it there. But all the emails will be sent out today, this morning, after I'm done with my live. Are you leaving Ventura? No, I'm trading both. I'll be trading on my broker, my Forex broker, Ventura, and on my futures broker, which will be Trade-of-8. So, my phone. Where are my phones? Question. Okay. All right. All right, let's get started on the analyzing here. Let's get started. So not too much in the way of volume, I guess, yesterday. I did not look at the charts at all yesterday. Very busy day yesterday. Very busy day yesterday. All right, so we're inside a 270 point range on US30 here, which looks very clean for the buys. Very clean for buys. So would like to see bot price come down a little bit here and then find its way back up, which is what I'd like to see. We are about 50 points away. 50 points away from a pullback, from a decent sized pullback. So it looks like the last time we were here was 4 o'clock this morning. We started pumping up here, and maybe at 9 we'll see something. We'll see a pullback, 9:30, and then price can give us a continuation for the buys to continue bullish. But if we break below this area, I'd probably want to see something like that. But for now, we got to look for the buy continuations. US30 is continuing to make new all-time highs, newfound highs, all-time highs. So we have to listen to that. Pretty easy analysis, nothing crazy there. Yeah. Looking at same thing here. I don't know how much I want to start my live account with on not Finterra, on Tradeovate. I'm trying to decide. It's a little bit of a dilemma for me. So, you know, I'll let you guys know pretty soon, next week. And then the good thing is we don't have to worry about crypto or anything like that. We can do it directly from the bank, which is a nice relief. Really nice relief. Let's look at oil real quick. Oil moved down perfect. Look at how nicely it tapped that take profit line there and then tapped it into it so nicely. Just wick and then push. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I really, really like oil, guys, because it moves very similar to US30. So we will see. Let's go to the higher time frames here. Let's see. Oh, the day looks funny looking. Ooh, look at this push here. This nice little head and shoulders setup here. Nice tap, couple taps of the neckline here. We look like we could be coming down if we break that low. If we break this major daily support here. I wonder. What could we be doing here? We have held this daily support since February 9th. Since February 9th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. 11 days, guys, we have held this support here. But it could be creating a bottom wick to turn around and go right back up. We could be doing that, which would be lovely. Where price is. Risk to reward is very good. On this move here. Very good RR. So as you guys can see, pretty much same setup, right? Looks very, very identical, right? Very, everything looks the same, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And we have no news today. So I really, really like that. Really, really like that. Now oil, guys, moves a bit smoother. It's not as volatile. And that's the main thing I really, really, really like about oil. It's not, I haven't even seen any crazy news pushes on oil since I've started analyzing it, which is pretty interesting. But I haven't. So I'm interested in, I know I'm gonna catch a couple curveballs, you know. It's at the point where it's a little bit too good to be true. So, you know, I'm still learning, but I feel comfortable enough with it. So, pretty excited about it. Pretty excited. Okay, now let's look at gold. Let's look at gold, guys. Gold, start saying your goodbyes. Start saying your farewells, because gold is going to be X'd out from my watch list in 4 days. Actually, no. There's no live stream this Friday because I have my in-person class. So in the next 3 days, literally, next 3 days, Thursday will be the final day that I look at gold, guys. Wow. Kind of bittersweet. Very bittersweet there. Gold used to be, gold has done a lot of good things for me. And to be saying goodbye to gold is crazy. That's crazy. Wow. Man, times really changed. I really liked gold. Gold was everything, you know. Gold taught me a lot. I have gold to thank for trading US30 now. And had it not been, you know, for my growth with trading this pair, I don't know where I'd be. I'd probably still be stuck trading AU and GJ, you know, and testing myself, pushing myself to bigger and better things brought me to gold, and that in turn carried me over to where I am now. So yeah. Crazy. So guys, those of you that are here on my live streams for gold, I know a lot of you trade gold. I do apologize, but we're off to bigger and better things. I have not traded gold in months now. I can't even remember last time I took an actual live trade on gold. So it's great. Maybe every once in a while, every once in a blue moon, we could dibble and dabble back into gold and see what it's up to, what it's doing, whatever. But after this week, after this Thursday, bye gold. Gold. So yeah, let's do an analysis here and see what we got on gold. So gold was holding an area of resistance here for a while. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's go to the daily. So we've been rejecting these highs. We finally broke it with an engulfing, and it looks like gold looks like it's doing a little something like this, right? Creates a high, now creating a higher low to create a higher high and potentially retest these highs. Okay, so that's what that looks like it's trying to do. But being that we have this beautiful support down here, gotta keep that in mind also. So for now, being that this is pushing, this might retest maybe 50% of this move, which it's almost there. 89 points away from that, pretty much almost halfway there. It could be a liquidity grab too. Yeah, because notice we held these highs and all did was price grab liquidity up here. That's what it could be. It could be still setting up to come all the way back down. That could be a possibility as well. But we need this low to get broken here. I need that low to get broken. See how simple trading is, guys, when you just focus on support and resistance? You focus on your major zones. You look at where price could react from, and then you perform an analysis from there. You guys see how simplistic that can be if you just keep it simple. And we need a pullback here. We need a pullback. This is looking like that. That's what it's starting to look like to me. This is what my eyes are seeing currently, guys. NASDAQ is NQ. I have no idea. I don't trade NASDAQ. You will have to verify that on your own because I don't know that. I think she's switching to futures. Yes. Oh, I'm also going to be using a different app or website, I should say, to look for news on my futures pairs. If you guys know any really good websites for futures gold, for futures news, please let me know, because I can't rely on Forex Factory anymore, because even though I can, you know, in a way I can still with US30, because US30 is affected by news. Please let me know, because it's not going to be the same thing anymore. So I have not seen news affect oil as much, but that's something I kind of been slacking on, is the news, finding out a new news website to look for news. So I might go over to, what is it, investing.com. Is it investing.com? I might come over to investing.com. I don't know how much CNBC has in the way of news. If you guys see stocks making the biggest moves pre-market: Domino's, Berkshire Hathaway, Moderna, and more. Berkshire Hathaway jumps after big profit gain as Buffett's conglomerate nears $1 trillion valuation. Wow. Is this guy gonna live forever? He should be dead by now. This guy's old as shit, still out here making all this freaking money. You're that old and you still want to work? That's crazy to me, man. You should be lounging on a beach, enjoying your money, enjoying all the work you put in all these years. This dude is freaking 300 years old and he's still out here working and shit. That is crazy. He's making sure his kids, and their kids, and their kids, and their kids never have to work. That is wild. Not even gonna live long enough to spend all of it, even if you tried. Crazy. Dude is old as shit, man. I do not want to be that old still working. I get it, but man, at some point you just want to enjoy life, you know? Just want to chill. Nobody gives a shit about pre-market, about this, about that, about valuations and this and that. And oh my goodness. After a while, man, it's just money. You know, who cares? It's not even, they don't even care about it anymore. It's literally just an object, just for fun. It's like a sport. It's like a sport. Crazy. So yeah, guys, if y'all have websites for me, I'm going to be looking into them today. Indices, futures. Please let me know. Dum-da-dum-da-dum. Welcome to investing.com. Don't talk to me like I haven't been here before. I've been here before. Stop it. Don't do that to me. I've been here before. Act like you've been here before. Real-time stock indices futures. Stock indices futures. Commodities, bonds, stocks, indices. Commodities, crude oil, gold, silver, copper, bonds, and stocks from our options traders out there. Dum da dum da dum dum da dum. Those guys run the planet. Retiring is not an option. Sad, you might be right. You might be right. They are masters of the universe. BYD car to rival Ferrari and Lamborghini. What? BYD. What the heck does BYD stand for? Most expensive car, fully electric supercar, can hit 100 kilometers in 2.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 300. Oh my goodness. Oh, way too fast. Way too fast. Somebody's gonna kill themselves in that thing. Way too fast. US futures market quotes, 10-minute delayed. Dow Jones, S&P. Look at all these other pairs, guys. Interesting. Interesting. Yep, it's gonna be a lot of fun transitioning over, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. Lots and lots of fun. So, Forex Factory. I'll probably still look at Forex Factory just to keep like a reference, but I'll probably be looking at other sites to get my stuff. So, we will see. Can you guys hit the like as you come in, please? Yes. Oh. Not much happening today, guys. Not much happening. No action right now, guys. No action. Almost 9 o'clock, guys. Around 9:30, 9:15, we should see something. And this is why I cannot wait to start at 9, because all of this waiting around will be cut down. The time will be cut down, and we won't have to, you know, worry about that too much anymore. Waiting on 9:30 to see what oil does. I am in buys as well, though. Cool, cool, cool. It's nice to see some of you guys are also trading the pairs I trade also in the way of futures. I wonder if at 9:15 we're gonna see a pullback here. I wonder if we're going to see a pullback. Oil is very trendy. Been backtesting it for a few weeks and I love it. I'm telling y'all. Oil is where it's at. Oil and US30. Some of y'all oil and NAS. You guys are gonna see good stuff. They're still waiting in futures. I didn't say there wasn't. I'm saying that I don't want to. I'm not gonna explain it. I'm not going to go into retarded comments. They're still waiting in futures. Okay. Did I say there wasn't? Jeez Louise. I also hear natural gas is also a great smooth pair. Yeah, I'm sure there's a whole ton of pairs out there that are smooth. But the one I decided to rest my head on is oil. So lots and lots and lots of pairs out there. Remember that, guys. It's just about whichever one you want to pick. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Good morning, Charlene. Been working on US30 and I'm glad to see we have the same markup. Awesome, awesome, Trina. Good stuff. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, those of you that are asking about the YouTube video that I dropped yesterday and then I deleted. So I didn't listen to it back after I watched it. I usually do, but I didn't have time to, so I was just trying to get it out there. And really quickly, I listened to a bit of it after it was done uploading, and there was this annoying clicking sound that I kept hearing, and I was like, yeah, I can't put this out because that clicking was just too much. I didn't realize it was like that, so I have to re-record it and re-upload it. So I'm gonna do that today. So just be patient with me there, and I'll get that out to you guys today. So you guys just so you guys are aware. So that's what the issue with that was yesterday. I was supposed to drop it yesterday. I did, but the sound was off. So that is why. Let's go. Gold just hit my entry for longs. All right, let's see. Came very, very close to this entry area here. So let's see if we reject and continue up based off structure here. Let's see. Sorry guys, I had to mute because as always they were cutting grass out here, so it was kind of loud. This mic picks up the smallest pin drop. So gold is doing gold things. We're still bullish above this area. Hopefully we maintain this support and gold can continue to find its way on up. And if we break this support, we'll probably come down to these lows here, but don't really see that happening. Might just make a liquidity grab at market open. Oil is moving smooth as it does here. Just looking for it to do a little something like this today. That would be awesome. And as for US30, looking for it to pull back into this area here, somewhere around here, and then start finding its way on up. So that's what the plan is for these pairs. And that's it. That's all, folks. The only trade I am in is oil right now, nothing else. Okay, gold. Wow, what's gold doing? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Gold, ouch. That's a deep-ass pullback on gold. Ooh. What time is it? 9:15? Let me see the higher time frames. We have completely obliterated this support here. Ouch. Looks like we're gonna continue down. I don't even think we're gonna stop at this. We might even continue all the way down on gold. Wow. Gold finally broke this support that it held Asian session. I'm looking at Asian session highs and lows. Price don't respect them areas at all. Price just be busting through them like they're not even there. Crazy. I will miss gold though. I will miss trading gold. I ain't gonna lie. I will miss trading gold. Looks like everything is waking up now. Why am I in the negative on this trade? You know what? I need to find a different liquidity provider that moves like my broker, because this one does not. This thing is flying right now and I am not flying with it. Why is that? This is crazy to me. $76.21. 76.21. This is at 76.59. That's a 30-point difference. Let me do this. $76.26. Fuck. NYMEX. NYMEX. Okay. NYMEX. These are all the same liquidity providers. Singapore, London.
Need to find the perfect gift? Don't panic.
Whoa, what the hell? All right, I need to check this after the live. I need to check this after the live, because, yeah, no. small drop, 46 points, almost 50 points. If gold follows a 4 hour here, this is going to push up out of this supply and just push all the way down here. It might not even stop at this support here. It might continue all the way down. It might just continue all the way down. I would not be surprised if it did. Almost 9:30. Almost 9:30, guys. Slow day today. Hopefully with 9:30 we can get a nice push. Come on down and see what price wants to do. Once we tap back down here. We come tap, play around, and then do that. Keep in mind, guys, these are some of the most volatile pairs, okay? So keep that in mind, please. Oh my God, 114. I have to clear out all of these, Jesus. Charlene in the oil trade. Anyone? No. I closed my oil trade and I'm in US30 sells. I wonder why futures doesn't show that whiplash like it does on US30. US30 shows it, but futures doesn't. That's weird. If futures is just chugging along here, chilling, smooth sailing here, and US30 is just toot, 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 toot. Crazy. Oil longs. It's news soon. Why did you sell on US30? Any reason behind it? Because I'm expecting a pullback. What do you think is the best pair to start off with on 2 to 3,000 capital? It's not about your capital. It's about what you trade and how you trade. It's not about your money, it's about your skill. If you can trade, you can trade anything. You obviously need money in your account to trade, but it's not about how much money you have. You got to get the skill. So if you know how to trade, you can trade anything with 2 or 3,000 capital. So the sooner you're able to understand that, the better. The better. You know what I mean? Everything boils down to your knowledge. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. stopped out of US30. US30 is flying right now. US30 is flying right now. I got stopped out. Ouch. Wow, no pullback. Very little pullback and then took off bullish. Today is not my day, guys. Today is not my day. Oil is not nothing. Gold completely dumped. And US30 completely took off after a very little pullback here. Gosh, I'm telling y'all, these all-time highs are out of control. These all-time highs are out of control, man. It's not giving us nothing in the way of pullbacks. Nothing. It's literally coming back for 15 minutes and then taking off from there. This is not enough of a pullback. This should have come all the way back down. This should have come back into this demand zone down here. And it's not doing that. It is completely flying here. But that's okay. We got oil. We got oil that we're going to be trading when US30 wants to not give us what we need in order to take good trades. I really, really like how YM is just chilling here. I really like that. It's not bugging anybody. It's literally just chilling right here. And it's literally giving, US30 is giving the cheat sheet to YM here because it's looking like YM is going to do the same thing. It's probably going to turn around and just fly. And if you didn't know any better, you could just take freaking buys from here and wait for it to move. So US30 making these all-time highs, guys. I'm not here for it. Price never came back to my entry area. Would have loved to get this pullback move here and then look for the buy continuations from here, but we're not getting that today. So we'll see if and when price comes. I'm going to set an alarm here. Set an alarm there. The data is delayed with futures. You have to buy the real-time data. Oh, is that what that is? Oh, I don't know. I guess. But at the end of the day, guys, we're at all-time highs. We are at all-time highs. There is nothing here, no data whatsoever. Very difficult to trade these markets with technicals. If you're a fundamental trader, you love shit like this. But if you're a technical trader, this is your worst nightmare. Honestly, it really is. It's your worst nightmare. So, what are you gonna do? Check it out, Charlene. If you don't have the data package on TraderVate, your price is going to back. It's going to be 20 minutes back. Okay. Forex, gold and US30 is what got us rich. Don't know too much about futures. It's like $5 a month on TradingView. Do you have real-time data for futures on TradingView? I will have it because I don't want to be delayed, so I will have it. The chart you're looking at is delayed. Your chart has to have the date on it. YM 2024 for this quarter. So this is delayed, is what you're saying? Well, I get that part, guys. But what I'm saying is US30 isn't. This is real time in US30. So because they're the exact same pair, this could look like it's delayed, but it's like US30 is telling you what's going to happen, literally. You know what I mean? So I don't know. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what it's looking like to me, in plain terms. Charlene. No, I do not need that. Thank you very much. Ugh. Delete. Oh, my ears are ringing. My ears are ringing. Hi Charlene, what broker do you use? Read the description box, please. Read the description box. Click on the description box and read that. It'll answer all your questions. All your questions, every single one. I am sleepy, guys. Your girl is sleepy. What's the temperature outside? Ooh, it's cold today. It is cold outside today. And there she goes. There go them buys. There go them buys. Cheat sheet, guys, cheat sheet. I don't know, but you guys said it was delayed anyway, so that means the move already happened. And we're just watching the aftermath of it. So I guess this is the aftermath. So I guess it's really not delayed. It's really the same because this is delayed. So nope, no cheat sheet. What's cold in Miami? Anything under 75 degrees. That's cold. Anything under 75 degrees. Yes, that's delayed. Trust me, you need that data for YM. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Hi, Charlene. Please, I have suffered a lot in my trading career. 3 years now, but still not. Oh, he deleted it. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to take off on the YouTube here. If we had enough likes, I probably would have stayed on a little longer, but we're at 700 plus people watching and only 300 likes, less than half. So I'm gonna take off on the YouTube here and go to my private group. If anything, I will see you guys tomorrow. Today looks like a bumpy day, bumpy day in the markets for us today. So we will see what the market has for us tomorrow. Once again, guys, this is the last week that I will be starting my lives at 7. Going to be starting them at 9 o'clock, starting next week, Monday, which is also NFP week. Other than that, that's all I got for y'all today. If we can try to get the likes up as you guys come in, maybe I'll stay on a little bit longer for you guys, but the likes have been lacking. I always have to beg you guys for likes every day, and it's just frustrating, but it is what it is. You know, what are you gonna do? I give you guys the most I can give you guys of me every day, and you know, the only way I could get that appreciation is to see the likes matching the viewers, but it doesn't always play out that way. So either way, I appreciate each and every one of you for being on every day with me. I hope you guys are learning a lot and growing a lot as well in this niche. But other than that, y'all be good. Heading over to my private group now, and I will see you guys tomorrow. YouTube video dropping later today, so be on the lookout for that. All right, as always, it's your favorite female trader, SIMPLEFX, and I'm out.